Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, first make sure that you have everything set up in your account. Make sure that you have already your bank account that is linked with your account. Everything is verified and that everything is working. So basically, after that, all you need to do is just to go to your profile so you can withdraw the money. So to do so, we will be needing to go to your profile account or the profile menu or the profile settings. And here we will find these three line icon. And basically by clicking on here, we will find another sub menu. And now we will find all these choices. And basically, when you have everything set up with your account, that means that you are eligible to use Robinhood and that you have a verified account, you will find another choice here, and which is transfers. So basically, in addition to reward security settings, etc., you will find a transfers choice. You click on the transfers, and from there you click on withdraw. By clicking on withdraw, after that, a form will appear so you can choose or add the amounts that you want to withdraw. After that, you will be choosing your account that you want to withdraw money from, and basically the transaction will happen, and that's it. So basically and simply, this is how you can withdraw money on Robinhood. So thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.